All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how to set up a forwarding on GoDaddy. It is an absolute piece of cake, okay? So here's a perfect for instance. I've got this domain mailrush.io.com, where the actual domain is mailrush.io. Um, so I am basically what I'm doing is I'm using my affiliate link, um, and I'm going to forward that. Um, Anybody who types this in mailrushio.com, which is the actual domain, and sometimes people get confused. So I'm going to forward this to my affiliate link that goes directly to the site so they can sign up so I can make affiliate commission. If that makes any sense to you. There's actually a name for this. I do it quite frequently. It's basically I forget the actual name, but it's when people key in URLs, but they make a mistake. So you buy domains that are slightly just maybe a letter off or something that might be a common mistake for somebody. Let's say knees.com, okay? There's a lot of people out there who don't know how to spell knees, Knees, but so they'll put knees, Nees. So this is what someone will go buy that domain or whatever the case that's just a little bit off so that they can make affiliate commission. So little trick in the interim, but also how to forward that stuff. It's pretty easy. So this particular domain was actually parked, not doing anything, and by parked means it's not pointing anywhere at all. So all I simply did was go into GoDaddy. I clicked on the domain, okay, and I go down here to just basically it's forwarding it. But let me, you know what? Let me do this the right way, and let me just go to my domains and show you so you can see exactly where it is. All right. And now listen, I'm really making this video kind of backwards here, but let me just show you. Okay, mailrush.io. Okay, so now when we click on that, you're going to see manage DNS settings. Okay. Come on, computer. All right, so here we go. So you're going to scroll to the bottom in GoDaddy and you go manage DNS. All right. So when you do that, you'll see in the right-hand corner here, it says forwarding. Now, I've already set this up, but it's very simple. What you would do is you'd put your affiliate code here if you wanted to, or any email that you wanted to forward it to, and you'd simply select whether it's a secure or unsecure site. So this is secure, so I just leave that there. And you don't put the HTTPS on this side. It's already on the other side. You don't need it. You can hit preview, and it will actually go right to the website. Okay, so that's it, guys. Real simple stuff. I'm going to hit save here, and we are done. That's how you forward your domain to another URL. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe and like the video. See ya.